Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video I will be showing you how to delete your Rockstar Games account permanently. In order to do that, first go to rockstargames.com. Then click the hamburger icon at the top left and select Support. Search for Delete Account and click on the first result. From here, click on the direct link provided to submit the account deletion request ticket. Now click on Delete Account and Information icon. Check the box at the bottom and submit web ticket. Please remember that when you delete your Rockstar game or social club account, you will lose access to all the purchased games, activation key, story mode and online mode play. After you submit the ticket, your account will be permanently deleted in a week. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.